Need command prompt with administrator permissions. Some Windows commands won't work from a regular window. In this guide, I'll show you several simple ways to run command prompt as an administrator, plus what to do if the option doesn't appear. Let's get started. The easiest method is Windows search. Open Start, type command prompt and find the app in the results. Right-click it, then select Run as administrator. Windows will display a user account control prompt. Select Yes to continue, and command prompt will open with elevated permissions. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key, type command prompt, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter together. This launches the selected command prompt with administrator privileges. If Windows asks for permission, select Yes. This is one of the quickest methods once you get used to it. Another option is the Run dialog. Press Windows and R together, type CMD, and instead of pressing Enter, use Ctrl, Shift, and Enter. Windows will ask for administrator permission, and selecting Yes will open an elevated command prompt. You can also launch an elevated Windows terminal and use the command prompt profile there. Search for Windows Terminal, right-click it, choose Run as administrator, and approve the user account control prompt. Then open the command prompt profile from the terminal menu. If you use elevated command prompt regularly, a shortcut can save time. Find the command prompt shortcut, open its properties, select the shortcut tab, and choose Advanced. Enable Run as administrator, then apply the changes. From now on, launching that shortcut will request administrator permission automatically. To check whether you're actually running as administrator, look at the command prompt window title. An elevated window normally includes the words administrator and command prompt. You can also test a command that requires elevated permissions, but avoid making system changes unless you know exactly what the command does. And that's how to run command prompt as administrator.